Welcome students to template 26 of the bridge course class 7th subject English. The learning outcome of this course is the students will be able to read aloud using proper pause, pace and volume, and also read in order to obtain information, make notes for personal reference while reading and listening to a text. So for this template you have to refer textbook of standard 6th page number 54 time. We have already learned this poem in the last template, and we have to read this poem with proper rhyme and rhythm. So the learning activity, now I am going to read the poem and you should listen carefully, and afterwards you have to repeat it. Point 1, time. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shore. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4 as the swift moon runneth. How many months in a year? 12 the almanac makes clear. How many years in an age? 100 says the sage. How many ages in time? No one knows the rhyme. No one knows the rhyme. So students, listen the poem carefully, listen the pronunciations, and then try to read at home and practice at home. In this poem, we have to find out the words which are related to time. So there are so many words which are related to time, like minute, seconds, hour, sun, hours, day, moon, almanac, age. So these are all the words, months, year, all the words that are related with time. Write down all these words in your notebook. So students, these are the words which I have ticked in the poem. Write in your notebook. In the solved activity, there are some more examples like clock, calendar, year, week. These are all the words that are related with time. For practice, solve the opposite words quiz. In extension or parallel activity, read the poem and find out how many and find out how many dash. For example, these questions, seconds in dash a minute, means here we have to find out from the poem how many seconds in a minute, how many minutes in an hour, how many hours in a day, how many days in a week, and how many weeks in a month, how many months in a year. So it's very simple. I will write the answers for you. Listen carefully students. 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, 4 weeks in a month, and 12 months in a year. Write it down in your notebook. Based on the responses to reading and activities in evaluation, students, so whatever I have written, you write it down in your notebook and practice it at home. So what did you learn today? Did you understand the template? So you have learned how to recite the poem with proper stress and intonation, and also read and recite the poem with proper rhyme and rhythm, and find out all the words that are related to time. So this was the end of the activity. Thank you very much.